Hello everyone, my name is Niranjan Namdev Gule. My college name is SAS Institute of Palghar. Course name MMS MBA. Roll number MB21039. Presentation topic Factors of Production. Okay. Firstly, I will started the agenda, the definition, brief explanation of the topic, where and when it is used, advantages, limitations, and one numerical. Okay. Firstly, definition of factors of production. Factors of production is an economic term that describe the input used in a production of a good or services to make an economic profit. Okay, the briefly explanation of the topic. Firstly, the factor of production, resources or input are what is used in a production process to production output, that is the finished good and services. The utilize the amount of various input determine the quantity of output according to the relationship called the production function. There are four basic resources or factor production. The firstly is the land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. Okay. Where and when it is used. The factors of production are the input that are the used to produce goods and services that are the demanded in a economy. Firstly is the land. As any business will need a place to operate on, labor, it is a contribution that is made by the humans in a business. They are paid wages or salaries for their inputs. Capital, the capital. These monies is used to purchase the raw material for the production process. Entrepreneurship, the entrepreneur who start the business organize all about the factor and help in the business and organize all the factors in the production process by skill and risk taking ability. Okay, advantages of production factor. Okay, firstly the advantages, the product usually high quality, producer meets individual customer needs, greater job satisfaction alone in all the stages of the production. The limitations, the land is a factor of production that is limited only by the amount available. Capital includes all the money and physical facility needed to create a product. Labor is a factor driven by the size of the population, education, and standard of living. An economy can function when producing the outside its limitation. Thank you.